If you don't understand algorithms, you don't understand trading. Everyone has told you to master one strategy and fix your psychology. I believe the same lie for most of my 10 years in the markets. But learning algorithms has changed the way that I trade forever. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why and how to start leveraging algorithms in your own trading to beat the hedge funds at their own games. Before we go any further, this is educational. It's not financial advice. 98% of traders will lose money, so I'm by no means implying that you're going to be part of the 2%. I'm simply just passing down lessons that me and our clients have learned from our experience in the markets. Now, at some point, you've probably found a setup that made sense, and for a few weeks, it actually worked, so you sized up. But when one trade went against you, and instead of taking that small loss, you just moved your stop loss. Just once, just one more time. But the loss doubled, so you took another trade to win it back. And by Friday, the month's profit was gone. And if you trade prop firm challenges, you know that breaking one rule doesn't lose you a trade, it kills the whole account. And then the firm sells you a reset fee on your way out the door. I used to always tell myself, this month will be different, and I meant it. But a month later, I found myself saying the same thing again. And that loop is so common, it's basically the definition of retail trading. There are roughly 9 million retail traders in the world, and 8.5 million of them trade manually, and around 8.3 million lose money consistently. So either almost every other trader on earth is lazy and undisciplined, or something about what we've been taught is broken. 8.3 million people don't fail the same way because they're lazy. The courses, the psychological courses, the coaches, and the signal groups all sell the same bet, that with enough training, a human being can be turned into a flawless execution machine. But a machine follows its rules perfectly under financial pressure thousands of times in a row, and your brain doesn't know the difference between a saber-toothed tiger and getting into debt. So every time that you press buy or sell, your body goes into fight or flight. Neurologically, less than about 2% of the world's population have the chemical makeup and mental makeup to be a proficient manual trader. The other 98% can study charts for a decade and still lose money. This is because the market is run by algorithms now. They don't get tired, they don't hesitate, and by the time you've considered clicking buy, the other side has already executed 10,000 positions. And trading against them manually is like bringing a knife to a gunfight. The bet was rigged from the start, and everyone who sold it to you got paid whether you became consistent or not. I know that bet from in the inside because I spent years paying into it. 10 years ago, I had a good job, stable income, and a burning desire to make it in the markets. So every free minute went into trading. I bought the courses, I joined the Discord groups, I sat through the gurus. But I was burning through demo accounts and told myself it was the tuition. Then I burned through real ones, and when I won, I didn't know why, so I couldn't repeat it. I vividly remember in January 2015, the Swiss National Bank unexpectedly abandoned its currency peg, causing the Swiss franc to surge 30% against the euro within minutes. This shock event wiped out billions in the financial markets and forced several retail brokers into insolvency. And I was on the other side of it many times as I tried to claw back my positions. Then I found Ray Dalio. He used to run the biggest hedge fund on the planet, but what struck me was how little of his thinking is about being right. He builds portfolios designed to survive being wrong. Many uncorrelated bets, so when some struggle, others carry the load. It's called all weather, and that page is where I got the idea to do the same thing with trading algorithms. I took the basic strategies I'd been trading by hand and automated them. Then I built more. Within 30 days, I had a portfolio of about 30 systems trading without me, and $100,000 of prop firm capital to run on them. And the winning months started repeating themselves. This all comes down to concentration risk. Everything rides on one fragile edge. Most traders are flying a single engine plane, so when that engine fails, the plane goes down. A hedge fund flies with 30 engines. Some of them can be a sputter, a few can quit completely, and the aircraft still lands. So mastering algorithms means making two moves at once. Move one, you take yourself out of the seat, all the decision fatigue gone, and the stop stays where the math put it, and the 2 a.m. version of you never gets a vote. The strategy is the same one you trade by hand, but now it finally gets followed at machine speed. You remove as many inconsistent variables as you can, and every variable you remove hands you back a little bit more edge in the market. And move two, you stop betting on one edge and start compounding many small edges. This is what I call the portfolio effect. A portfolio of automated systems that don't correlate with each other. Spreads across different markets, each doing a different job. But the best part is the reason it works is the same reason a casino works. A casino holds a small, constant edge repeated across thousands of games. Any single hand can lose and the casino doesn't care, because over enough repetitions, the edge always shows up. Your portfolio plays thousands of hands across every market at once, and you just let that edge play out over time. But to do this correctly, you need to build it in 3 pillars. And the first is to automate simple strategies. The systems in my portfolio, trade support and resistance, trend lines, basic price action, the same setups you already know. Complexity just adds more ways to be wrong. Modern tools let you describe your rules, and the software builds the systems for you. So if you can write your trading plan down on a piece of paper, you can build the machine version of it without ever learning how to code. And there's a reason the professionals keep their systems this simple. Every rule that you add is another assumption about the future, and the market loves punishing assumptions. A simple system has fewer parts that can break, so it tends to keep working when conditions change. While a 100-condition robot stops working in the first week, the market stops looking like a backtest. Pillar 2, try to break everything before it trades. A pretty backtest is the easiest thing in the world to produce, so every new system gets treated as guilty until proven innocent. I don't build one system and fall in love with it. I mass produce hundreds of candidates, then better them with thousands of simulated scenarios, and make them prove themselves on data that they've never seen. This step fixes the system that looked perfect in the backtest and fell apart with real money. That happens when a strategy was tuned to fit the past instead of tested against the unknown. So if a strategy only works in one exact set of conditions, I want to find that out in a simulation where failing costs nothing. Out of a few hundred, typically only 10 to 20 survive, while the rest get deleted. But the survivors have earned something that no manual trader ever gets. Proof before a single dollar was at risk. Pillar 3 is you manage the portfolio, not the trades. Once those survivors are running across different markets, your role changes completely. You stop being the guy in the chair and you start running a book the way a hedge fund runs one. When one system has a bad month, it's a line item and others are there to offset it. Your week becomes a short check-in on the numbers instead of hours in front of charts every single day. You get your evenings back because the machines don't need you watching over them to work. By the way, if you're interested in learning more about how these algorithms work, I've linked a really good training in the description that goes into much more depth. And you don't have to take my word for it, because the market itself keeps the receipts. When I started trading, the daily turnover in what I was trading, which is FX, was about $3 trillion. Today, it's around 8. The market has more than doubled in a decade, and institutional algorithms did that doubling. Right now, roughly 90% of all traded FX volume is institutional. It's going to head towards 100% in my opinion. The banks run systems, the funds run systems. The only people left clicking buy or sell by hand are the retail traders, which is why there's such a high percentage of them are unfortunately losing. Just like my student Fabian, he went from burned out manual trader, never fully trusting his judgment, to now a prop firm master with many prop firm payouts, and is now our lead Algos trader inside our program. So now you have 2 options. Option 1, you can keep grinding the manual path, or option 2, you can take yourself out of the seat and build a machine that trades for you. There's a link in the description that takes you to a free training where I break down the whole process in much more depth, start to finish, without you ever having to touch a single line of code. See you there.